All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. Taking a look at light sweet crude oil later this morning, actually. Finally got the setup I've been looking for, right? I mean, price has just been a little tough to manage intraday, at least the times I'm sitting at the computer. I'm normally trying to wrap it up by 12 o'clock. I got other crap to do. But guys, here, it finally happened, right? So we closed above this daily pivot here, and you can see we had a little bit of whipsaw, right? But I look for super tight price action, and that's exactly what I got right here. So the first thing I look for in an uptrend is support. I want to see where the buyers and sellers in close range transacted, and the sellers were denied going any lower by the buyers. So I put my support line in right here. I just simply took a very vague pullback on these descending wicks. And when we closed above here, I hit the buy market button. Now, what do I do from this point, right? I got to start taking profit somewhere. Well, as you can see on the right side of the screen, this is something called the book map. I use this to show me where other market participants desire to transact in the market. But a normal course of business for me is on the approach to a round dollar, meaning 5 to 10 ticks prior to, I want to start paying and protecting myself. So we were approaching $74 round here. So 10 ticks prior to at 73.90, I moved my stop to break even. And at 73.95, I took a good chunk of profit, right? I left my stop at break even. You could see that price came down and then came back and ultimately did what? Failed again at that approach. We're trying to squeeze through 74. So I took a little more profit here, and I just left my stop at break even and ultimately got stopped out on the balance. Now, notice my MACD, my modified MACD crossed. So that was a pretty good inkling to say, hey, this trade's probably over. And that happens, right? Like, not all of them are home runs. But if we take them very calculated and we manage the risk very calculated, there's a better than not chance that we'll probably do okay, right? Like, if you got to be able to take the exact same trade over and over and over and over again. And if you don't take the same trade over and over and over again, you're gonna, have problems, right? Like, because then you have no consistency, and no consistency leads to no discipline, and no discipline leads to no profitability. So my trade setup is exactly the same every single time. Higher time frame bias above both of my VWAPs. My MACD needs to be trending and looking as it does. My fast moving averages need to look the same. If I'm in an uptrend, I got to find support. I got to either identify consolidation or some form of correction. I need to then close above that consolidation or correction before I enter the market, whether that be long or short. It's the exact same trade set up, just inverse. And guys, that's really what happened, right? Price just kind of pushed on. So I'm not disappointed. Got in around 70, got out around 95, took a little more profit at 74 over here. Did I have more to go? Was I hoping for more? Of course I was hoping for more, but shit happens, right? Still was a profitable trade, still stuck to my trade plan, still felt really confident about entering the trade based on following my rules. So hope you found this video informational. If you'd like to learn more about how you could join me trading live, I trade the NASDAQ, the S&P, crude oil, and gold futures. There's some links below. Click on them, consume the content, send me an email with any questions you might have, and I can get you in tomorrow morning session. So I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.